Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do these super cute Cateye French tip nails. And I'm also going to be showing you which colors you can use to really make your cat eye pop. So first I'm starting with these freshly filled Polygel nails, and like I always do for every set that is a French tip set, I'm starting with clear pink on all of my nails. So that's 441 by DND, and as always I'm going to link all the colors I used in the description box. I ended up switching locations just because this lighting is better to me. But yeah, so now I'm going to get started with the French tip. And usually when you do cat eye, you would use a black base. But after just playing around with it a bit, I noticed that if you use a color that kind of matches with the cat eye that you're putting on top, it makes it pop more. Like the cat eye color that I'm putting on top of this yellow is gold. So I noticed that when I used the yellow instead of the black, it just made it look more like gold and glittery. So that's kind of what I'm doing for all of the nails. I'm using a color that matches the cat eye polish that I'm putting on top. After I paint each nail, I'm also popping it into the UV lamp for 60 to 120 seconds. It just depends on the power of your lamp. But yeah, I'm just moving on to the next nail. The cat eye color that's going on here is kind of like pink magenta, so I chose like a pink color for the base. And you'll see me choose like different colors based on the cat eye that I'm putting on top for these other nails as well. Now for the pinky, I did use black just because I liked how this the green cat eye polish looked on top of the black. So one of the nails is black, but the rest of them are colors. Okay, so now I'm going in with the cat eye polish, and I did get this polish from Amazon, so I'll put the link in the description box. But another thing that I did different is usually when you do cat eye, you do the base color, you put it in the lamp, and then you do one layer of the cat eye, you put the magnet on, and then you put it in the lamp. But after playing around with it, I noticed that the best way to make it the most vibrant was to put a layer of cat eye polish on, put it in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then do another layer of the cat eye polish, then put the magnet on, and then put it in the lamp for 60 seconds again. So you're going to see me do that, but right now I'm just putting the first layer of cat eye polish on all my nails and putting it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So these are my nails after the first layer of cat eye polish, and now I'm about to go in with the second layer of cat eye polish, and this is where I'm going to use the magnet before I put it in the lamp. So the kit comes with two different types of magnets. This is me using the first magnet, but I ended up using the second magnet because it's just longer and stronger. And the magnet is what creates like that stripe cat eye effect. You don't have to do it diagonally. You can really do it in any direction. And the kit comes with some different shape. Like it comes with a circle one too. So I would definitely recommend this kit from Amazon. So these are the nails after they're finished. These are so cute to me. And I just decided to be a little bit extra and add a holographic top coat just on like the natural pink part of the nail, just because I wanted some extra sparkle. So that's what I'm doing on each of the nails. But it was kind of thick at the top, so I didn't want to coat the whole nail just because there's so many layers. So I only put it, like I said, on the natural pink part. After I put those nails in the lamp for 60 seconds, and now I'm just going in with my IBD gel top coat and putting that in the lamp for 60 seconds as well. Alright, now I'm just doing my right hand now, and it's the exact same concept. I just alternated the colors. Like I said, I'm going to put the link to the Cateye Polishes. I'm also going to put the numbers and the DND polishes that I use for the base coat. And then I'll also put like the pairings. So I'll put like what Cateye polish and which DND polish that I use for each nail. So yeah, I'm gonna just speed up this part. Alright, so this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video on Twitter, Instagram, wherever. Please let me know what you'd like to see in my next videos, because I'm trying to put out more content this year. So yeah, see you guys next time.